How to withdraw from MetaMask to bank. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw from MetaMask to bank. Now, when withdrawing funds from MetaMask to your bank account, there are certain steps that you have to follow. You have to note that MetaMask itself does not directly facilitate withdrawal to banks at all. All right, the only way to go about it is that you would need to use an exchange platform to convert your cryptocurrencies into fiat currencies like USD, like euros and all of that, and then withdraw it to your bank account. So what do you do? For the first step would be to select the cryptocurrency exchange that supports the assets you want to withdraw and has a fiat currency on wrap. So the cryptocurrency exchange could be Binance, it could be KuCoin, it could be OKX, it could be Bybit. Just select any exchange that supports fiat. All right, and then after you have selected the cryptocurrency exchange platform, just log in into your MetaMask wallet, just like I've done here, and then click on send. So after clicking on send, you can see that you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to input your the wallet address of the exchange of the cryptocurrency exchange platform that you've selected. So, for example, if it's to be Binance, all you need to do is to go to the top part of your screen, click on a new tab, and then type out Binance.com in order to log in into your Binance account. And then after clicking on Binance.com and you're taken to the login page, you'll be asked to enter in your details and then you'll be asked to verify if you're the one. So after verifying, so the next thing to do would be to obtain the deposit address from the exchange. All right. Like I said, I'll repeat again. Obtain the deposit address from the exchange. So after obtaining the deposit address from the exchange, go back to your MetaMask and then paste in the deposit address here. And then after pasting it, go ahead and send the amount of crypto that you want to convert to money. Send this for your MetaMask to the exchange using the provided address. Then on the exchange, sell your crypto for fiat currency. You can just change it, or actually, I'm sure you should find your way around that. You should know how to change your cryptocurrencies to fiat currency. So change it, and then after changing it, the next thing to do would be to visit the withdrawal section on the exchange page. That is Binance or whichever whichever exchange that you selected. All right, whichever exchange platform that you selected, just go there, visit the withdrawal section, and then select the option to withdraw fiat currency. Choose your linked and verified bank account, enter the withdrawal amount, and then confirm the withdrawal. So that is how to do it. That is the way to go about it. All right, so you cannot send money directly from your MetaMask to your bank. You'd have to go through another exchange platform. Thanks for watching and have a good day.